Flowise AI versus n8n. Which AI automation tool is better? Choosing the right AI automation tool can transform how you streamline workflows without wasting time on complex setups. Flowise AI and n8n both offer powerful automation but differ in approach and features. Flowise AI and n8n are automation platforms designed to simplify tasks, but their core difference lies in focus. Flowise AI centers on AI-driven workflow building, while n8n offers a more general, open-source automation environment with broad integration capabilities. Flowise AI is an AI-centric automation tool that enables users to create intelligent workflows using natural language processing and machine learning models. It works by connecting various AI components visually, allowing non-technical users to design complex AI-driven processes with ease. Its strengths include intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces and seamless integration with popular AI models, making it ideal for businesses looking to implement AI without heavy coding. However, Flowise AI's focus on AI means it may lack some of the broader automation features found in more general platforms. Users who need advanced AI capabilities with straightforward setup will find Flowise AI a strong choice, especially for tasks like data analysis, content generation, or AI-enhanced customer support. n8n is an open-source automation platform designed to connect a wide range of applications and services through customizable workflows. It operates on a node-based system where each node represents an app or a function, allowing users to automate complex multi-step processes. Its strengths lie in flexibility, extensibility, and a large community contributing integrations. n8n supports both code-free workflow design and advanced scripting, catering to both beginners and developers. However, it may require more setup time and technical knowledge compared to Flowise AI, especially when integrating AI-specific tasks. Ideal users include businesses and developers seeking a versatile automation tool that can handle diverse applications beyond AI, such as marketing automation, data synchronization, and system monitoring. Flowise AI excels in AI-specific automation with a user-friendly interface tailored for AI workflows, making it perfect for teams focusing on machine learning and natural language tasks. In contrast, n8n offers broader automation capabilities across many apps, ideal for users needing extensive integrations and custom workflows beyond AI. For example, a marketing team automating email campaigns and CRM updates may prefer n8n's flexibility, while a data science team automating AI model deployment might benefit more from Flowise AI's specialized features. The trade-off is between Flowise AI's streamlined AI focus and n8n's general-purpose power, with Flowise AI being quicker to set up for AI tasks, but n8n offering greater customization for diverse automation needs. Choose Flowise AI if your priority is easy to build, AI-driven workflows with minimal coding and fast deployment focused on machine learning and NLP tasks. Opt for n8n when you need a flexible, open-source automation platform that supports a wide range of integrations beyond AI. Its versatility suits developers and teams aiming for comprehensive, customizable workflows across multiple applications and services. Both tools excel in their domains, so choose based on your automation goals.